Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Not sure what he was thinking there. Ignores the solid white line and orange sign, then looks at me like it's my fault. This could have ended badly. Every single day, someone blocks traffic just to save a whole 5 seconds. In Charlotte, there's a horrible interchange, but people like this make it even worse.
Drive! What is happening? Why are the people the worst? It's like 45 miles an hour on this. So get over. Oh, Jesus. Good God. I mean, if you're not gonna make it, then don't go. Oh my God.
Super close call, just 10 minutes from home, after already playing in traffic for 50 minutes.
I see it. Dumb Lock the video.
Video protected.
This idiot nearly causes an accident right in front of a conveniently placed cop. This driver merges into my lane without looking or signaling. It's my parking spot. Get out of my way. Let me just pull up here with half of my car blocking the road. Licensed for 12 days and already got T-boned by a stop sign running idiot. This driver in front of me takes the wrong entrance onto the freeway.
Are they turning around? No, they're going straight. Oh my god, I won.
Me and my son ended up in an involuntary game of chicken. This idiot in front of me was on his phone, swerving all over the place and not paying attention. This guy seems to have a love-hate relationship with driving straight. Someone with anger issues drives aggressively, blocks the traffic, and then cuts off everyone.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.